Hello! Let's learn English at the bus station. This is the timetable. I am buying a ticket now. I am buying a ticket now. One ticket to the city, please. Now, I wait for the bus. This is the bus stop. Who? I have my ID ready. The bus is arriving. Who? Is this the correct route? The doors are open. The doors are open. Good. Morning. Driver. Tap your card here. Tap Ringmongar. I am looking for a seat. I like the window seat. Prop here, the Prater style. Press this to stop the bus. The bus is moving fast. We will be there soon. Nestal Park. The next stop is the park. Hold the handrail for safety. Ooh, ooh. Follow the bus rules. Hoo hoo hoo. Hoo Keegan rhyme. Listen to the announcement. We are slowing down. Thank you, driver. Goodbye. I have reached my stop. Keep your pass safe. Ho, ho. Keep the station clean. Reading helps you learn. Wait in the queue. A hot drink is nice. Where is the library? Excuse me. Where is?
Platform 5.
It is midday already. The sun is very bright. Hi. Plants need light to grow. Look, tidy for the trip. I love my family. Travel is so much fun. I need a healthy snack. Activios. Clean the dishes now. Make the plates. Whew. Shine. Let's review the new words. New words. B-U-S. Bus. It is raining outside now. I am warm and cozy. Light helps me read better. I am very hungry. The soup is almost ready. Delicious flavor. Dinner is my favorite meal. Good night, stars. I learned a lot today. The bed looks so soft. I am ready for sleep. Tomorrow will be fun too. Good night, little watch. The house is safe. Click. It is locked. Sleep well, everyone. The big silver moon shines bright in the night sky.
The bus station is quiet under the stars tonight.
You are a smart student.